Uy! Hello, Nizens! Tara, work muna tayo for today's video. Samahan niyo ako for a quick tour sa ating sales office here in Southforbes, Silang, Cavite. So ito pala ang aming sales office. So we are located here in Unit 1B, Scandia Suites, Barangay Inchican, Southforbes, Silang, Cavite. So here we are in the front desk. So we have yung mga naggagandahan nating mga person. Si Miss Maika sa aming HR and si Miss Princess, our sales representative.
Hello. Hello po. Wow.
Alright, so dito naman tayo sa ating technical team. We have our architects. Hi guys! Kumusta naman kayo guys? We have architect Enzo here. And we have architect CJ. So kumusta naman guys? May deadline ba tayo?
Yes, very easy.
Okay. So Newsens, medyo nakaka-istorbo pala tayo. Very busy ang ating mga architects. Tara, dun muna tayo sa may conference room. Alright, so let's go naman here sa ating receiving area. Ayan, upo tayo dito. We can have actually mga coffee with our clients. And tingnan mo naman yung napakagandang view dito. O, diba? So tara, let's go inside naman the conference room. Ayan, so welcome sa aming conference room. So usually dito nag-uusap kami with our clients and pinag-usapan yung mga plans, and then we have here the TV for our presentation and whiteboard para sa mga sketches. So here in Southforbes, may mga projects kami in Cavite, we also have in Laguna. Some clients naman nag-walk-in dito sa aming sales office, and then si Mrs., siya yung nagsagot na sa mga inquiries nila. And then, if there are technical questions, we also have our mga architects to address their needs. And that's it guys. I hope you like our shorter video in our sales office here in Southforbes. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!